How does a bill become a law? So today I would like to deliver a presentation about how does a bill become a law. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Asmaul Husna and I'm from Management 2015. If we are talking about bill and law, the thing that we remember is about country. As I know, country is a place for citizens to live as a home. Every citizen believes that this home is a place for them to do their own activities, and a place that will be used as an identity. In this home, people are living together with others, and they have a different goals, interests, and also consideration. However, all of them have the same purpose, which is living peacefully. We surely know that people in a country need rules and regulations as a guide for them to live in that country itself. This rule and regulation was known as law. Law was created so people can live together, and also to protect the citizen itself. So, based on the parliamentary office, law is defined as a rules and regulation that will help government to manage the society. So law will act as a guidance for people and organization of what they are expected to be, among others. There are many laws are created to manage our society, but only several of them is approved to be a law. This law is made based on the situation and condition of what the society has faced. That is why there are so many steps that should be followed by people in order to create law. Commonly, to make a law, people should be able to see and analyze what is the current issues in the society. Then people will create a bill as a proposal of making a law. So, actually, bill can be used as a proposal to create a new law or to update the previous law. The aims of people to propose a bill is to improve and to fix some issues in society. Before a bill becomes a law, there are many steps that should be followed by people if they want to propose a bill to become a law. Based on the textbook from Seiler.org about American government and politics in information age, the process of bill become a law was begun in House of Representatives by creating a draft. In this draft, the representative of citizens is free to deliver the idea or the topic that will be raised as law. The next will be followed by introduced clerk assigned member and goes until in the conference committee voted by houses. If the bills was selected, the bill can be referred to a president. So the president has a responsibility to have a vote veto or assigned by president. If the bill was signed by president, so the bill can be directly become a law. But if the bill use a veto, it should be 2/3 vote from Congress, so it can be approved as a law. There are several steps. First, they have to be followed in the House of Representatives. In the House of Representatives, the bill can be starting to pass the legislative process if they have a draft. So they have the main issues that they want to raise as a law in the society. Second one, the representative of the citizens should introduce the bills to the House of Representatives. And the third one, the bill will be sent to the committee. In the steps, the bill will be given to a special committee. For example, if the bill is related to an education, so the committee that will be responsible to discuss and revise the bill is the committee in education, and so forth. After the bill is revised and discussed in the committee, so the bill will be reported to the House floor. So in the House floor, once the bill is go to the House floor, it means that it was ready to be voted in the Congress. The fifth step is the bill is ready to be debated. So the House of Representatives will analyze, and they can add or delete some of the point of the bill itself. After the bill is debated, the bill will be voted by House of Representatives. If the bill is passed, so the bill will be referred to Senate. In the Senate, the process is actually the same with what have the bills done in the House of Representatives, which is starting the legislative process first, introduce the bills, third, the bill sent to the committee, the fourth, the bill reported to the House floor, next, the bill is ready to be debated, sixth, the bill is voted, and the seventh, the bill is referred to President. In the President has two things, which is veto, and the President can directly sign the law itself. So, in United States, there are several lists of upcoming bills that will proceed as law. First is H.R. 4511 about Gold Star Families Voices Act. Based on the data from GovTrack.us, there are several bills that is still in progress. They are first Gold Star Family Voices Act, which is the main purpose of this bill is to amend the Veterans Oral History Project to allow the collection of video and audio recordings of biographical histories. Second is Midnight Bulls Relief Act of 2016. This bill is to amend Chapter 8 of Title 5 United States Code to provide for en bloc consideration in resolution of disapproval for Midnight Bulls. And the third one is about Women, Peace and Security Act of 2016. The main purpose of this bill is to ensure that the United States promotes the meaningful participation of women in mediation and negotiation process seeking to prevent, mitigate, or resolve violent conflict. The data all of them was coming from the GovTrack.us 2016. So, this is all my presentation. The references that I use is from this one. Thank you very much.